Goodbye to the 80s, even though I love you so much, and welcome to 2022. Thank you so much to the Moongalians for helping me pick out this carpet. I eventually am going to put this all the way down the stairs. And then as you walk in, first to my left is the boys' bathroom. Take a look at this magnificent update.
Wow, this looks great. I love it.
Isn't it cute?
Yes, it's exactly what I was thinking. The back wall's enough of a statement. Keep everything else simple.
And before we show you the big bathroom, come and see what my walk-in closet has now turned into. So goodbye, Erin's closet, and hello, Brooksy's room. I am so in love with how this turned out.
Hi, Brooks. Is this your room?
Can you show them your slide? And to our bedroom, there are a few minor changes, but I think big ones, including the back wall here using nickel gap. And Edith's idea to take out that big thing on the ceiling and to put this beautiful chandelier in, Johnny agreed. So I think that was a really nice update. Okay, now for the crown jewel. Come take a look. Cue the music. What a difference. I am just in heaven. Yay, it's over! Woohoo! Thank you everybody for coming along this journey with us. Thank you Katie, Josh and Mark and the whole crew. I could not have done it without the whole team, but you guys are certainly the best of the biz. This is my 4th project now working with you, and this by far the biggest one.
Well, we really hope you enjoy it and are happy to say bye-bye to the pink bidet.
Bye-bye, pink bidet. Cheers, everybody. Thank you.
Cheers.
Happy New Year. Say hi.